All right, guys, we've got the CaCTOUR soft cooler bag. This is insulated. It's got a ton of pockets. This could easily be used as like a big lunch box also. So it kind of could work for both things. You got some things at the top to store things. You've got zippers here. You've got zippers on the front like that. Also got more storage on the side. But there's something we do here on this channel. We call it the can test. And it says you can get 24 cans in there. Now, I only had 19, but we can look. First of all, we can see how insulated it is. So you can add ice here and it's leak proof. But I put 19 in, you can easily see how you can fit 4 more. So this will fit 24 cans, and it's really not that heavy. And there's 2 ways to carry it. You can carry it this way, or you can carry it this way. Here's what I'm going to say. This is very high quality. It seems like it's going to last a long time. It's leak proof. It's insulated. It'll keep things hot or cold. I think you should get it.